I'm gonna show you guys so yeah, I did not script this at all, so forgive me. For all you iPhone users, y'all need to use the Shortcuts app. It is absolutely amazing. It's an absolute lifesaver, and I guarantee you, you will love it. This app, as I will show you right here, I like my phone a little organized, but here's this app. It is my most used app. This is the Shortcuts right here. This is what it looks like, or this is what mine looks like. The automatic shortcuts is what I love extremely the most. My automatic shortcuts, when I connect it to my CarPlay in my car, with the GPS automatically popping up, shows me the temperature, the locations I'm at. I have my certain musics I play, or continue playing. And then also when it comes to my shortcuts, depending on where we're going, sometimes I might give my son my phone and hit a shortcut to play a playlist of movies for him. And it's absolutely amazing. Like, I love this app, the automatic features of it. So during every day around 5 a.m. every day at 5:15 in the morning, it automatically opens up like a Bible study. So when I get my phone, I open it up, it's already there. And I learned how to put like a record hour. I'll type in something and it'll say Bible study time. Or like for me personally, because I'm a little nerd, when I plug in my CarPlay or one of the Bluetooths in the car that I own, I have it set up to where it says like something, all systems activating in 5, 4, 3, 2. Like I do stuff like that, little nerdy stuff, which is what I like. And this is absolutely amazing. I have a lot of playlists on my phone. I love music. Music is like a passion of mine. So I have multiple different playlists, and I just made shortcuts. I made shortcuts for my playlists. I made shortcuts for like jazz music. I love jazz. Let me go back to it. I have shortcuts for my audiobooks. My son, he's starting to like music, so I got a playlist for him. I got a playlist for his night music. I got a playlist for like worship music. And I just create a shortcut to go to those playlists. So I just press the button and it goes. If you have an Apple device, I don't know if it works for like the MacBook or the Mac Mini. I've never even looked. But for the iPhones, for the iPads, and for the I don't even know if this is a thing still, but the iTouches, the Apple products, you guys have to start using the Shortcut app. It is absolutely amazing. It saves you on time going through everything. I absolutely love this app. I think it's one of the best things iPhones have when it comes to their phones and the applications and the features. Make sure y'all. If I want to listen to jazz music, I've made an icon, which I love jazz music. It's calming. I just love it. So the little icon I put on there is a picture of my wife and my son. And so I just press that and the music will automatically start playing. Like that's to me, that's so awesome. And then also when it comes to what's going on Also, when it comes to creating the bookmarks, you can change the volume, you can change the brightness on your screen. A lot of my bookmarks, a lot of my shortcuts, it has timers to them, so everything just don't happen at once. I like things in a structure, in a sequence in a structure. So that's how I created basically my whole phone output. Drop a comment though. Drop a comment if you're on the iOS system. If you're in the iOS family, what is your favorite app? What is your favorite app to use? Why is it your favorite? Let me know. Mine is one I'm making this video on. It's Shortcuts. I love this app. I think it's the most underrated app. But yeah, let me know what you think. Let me know how you feel. It's your boy, Want You Gemini. Thanks for tuning in. Deuces.
What is this? What is this? It's